A train setting in Denton, Texas. It's entirely shrink wrapped, so you can't look out the windows very well. This is where the power unit's at. You cannot walk between the front and the back of the train, so half the car seats face one way, another half face the other way. These trains run every 30 minutes. It's 21 miles from Denton down to Trinity Mills, which is where this is going. This is the interior, what the cars look like. As you can see, because it's shrink wrapped, you can't really look outside. There are places for bicycles. And for the first time I've ever seen on a rail facility, they got this little sign saying remain seated while train is in motion. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.